Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that intro footage of the gorgeous Natalya Alessi having a bit of fun during our shoot a while ago. Natalya is an incredible dancer and burlesque performer based in Sydney, and I've had the pleasure of photographing her quite a few times now. A large portion of my client work is in the burlesque community, and I shoot a lot of promotional images for performers. So in this video I wanted to share a behind the scenes look at my shoot with Natalya and talk a little bit more about the lighting setup. I used 3 Godox LED lights for this shoot, 2 Godox TL60 RGB tube lights for some colour accent in the background, and 1 Godox Lightmons LA200 bicolour LED with the QRP90 parabolic softbox and grid attached. The LA200 was used as the main light on Natalya's face and body. A lot of the time these promotional shots end up being used as poster images to promote shows or tours, so they are typically used with text in the final edit. Therefore it's best to keep the background clean and simple. So for this first setup, I just had Natalya standing a few feet in front of a basic grey backdrop, which gave enough separation for the background to go quite dark, with just a hint of the pink colour from the TL60 lights coming through. All of these images were captured on the Fuji X-H2 with the 56mm f1.2R lens. And in this setup I concentrated on fairly tight headshots or 3/4 shots because I didn't want the bottom of the backdrop in the frame. To capture some full-length images, we moved over to the cyclorama but kept the same basic lighting setup. Now with a white background instead of grey, the background appears a little brighter even though the distance between the lights and the background has increased. One of the obvious advantages to using RGB LED lights such as the Godox TL60 is just how easy it is to change colours, and with a design that gives a very wide spread of light, you can effectively light the background and provide some edge light to your subject at the same time. We did test out a variety of different colours but ended up coming back to the pink because it suited Natalya's incredible costume best. That about does it for this video. Thanks for watching and I hope it was of some benefit to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you do want to see more videos like this. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Until the next one, ciao for now.